Brian J. Boyer here. It's time for another exciting episode of Brian J. Boyer Plant Deployer. And today, literally, this is bananas. I'm going bananas for bananas because people in the Phoenix area always ask me, can I grow a banana tree? And the answer is unequivocally, yes, you can. Bananas do all right in the Phoenix area. However, I have found that they definitely need proper drainage because I've killed 3 different varieties already.
How dare you?
And certain varieties don't grow as well here. The ones I'm talking about do grow well if you give them enough water and the proper drainage. Here we have an apple banana. And here we have the blue Java banana. And finally the dwarf Cavendish banana.
Banana.
To start off, I'm gonna talk about my best growing banana tree, and that is the apple banana. I don't know if you've been to Hawaii, but this is a big banana in Hawaii. They're small. They taste kind of like between an apple and a banana smoothie. They taste extremely good. And this banana tree I found grows the best for me in my soil. The biggest thing with banana trees in Phoenix is you gotta have drainage. You gotta plant them above ground and build a berm around them, which I've done in this case. I planted this slightly above ground. I built a berm around it. I put good dirt, good solid mulch, a good base, and a good irrigation system. And look what we got. We have a big banana stock. We have multiple babies coming up. It's already fruited once. We're gonna fruit multiple times, I'm sure. We're gonna get all these babies will come up and fruit. Second, we have the blue Java banana. Blue Java banana. Bananas are blue.
You serious?
I planted it in the shade because blue Java is notoriously difficult in our full sun environment. This banana was planted about 1.5 years ago. And as you can see, it's taken off. Planted it above ground, berm around it, shade, a lot of mulch. It's getting shade and seems to be growing pretty well. It's got a lot of pups coming up and the stalk looks pretty decent. However, it has kind of slowed recently, so I don't know if it's missing something. I have a drip line hooked up to a couple different drip lines, giving it plenty of water. I thought maybe it needs more water. I'm not exactly sure, but this variety I've found does grow pretty well here comparatively. Here we have the dwarf Cavendish banana. I planted this thing 4 years ago. Never given me fruit. It's produced pups, it's never flowered. I think one of the problems with it is it just doesn't do very good in our summers. As you can see, it's kind of struggling this spring again, but it does survive, it does come back, but it just doesn't seem to produce fruit, which is a huge problem for me.
Do it!
So I have had this thing around 4 years, again, like I said. Plenty of mulch around it, plenty of water. I have 2 different drip lines that come up to it. It just unfortunately hasn't produced the fruit that we need. And I think part of the reason is maybe it's not getting enough water. I'm not exactly sure. But I do water it a lot. I do have plenty of mulch down. It just doesn't seem to do as well as some of the other types I've worked with here in the valley. Most varieties you want to grow are, you want to keep them short because the winds will take them down. So you've got to, like blue Java, for example, tie that baby up or the winds will take it down. Same thing with most of the cultivators you want are dwarf cultivators because they will grow better in the Phoenix area. With that said, Brian J. Boyer, Plant Deployer signing off. Please like my YouTube channel. Go on there, make a comment. Talk about how much you like it, how much you don't like it. I like all the comments, so just let me know. And I look forward to seeing you next time.